Hi everyone, I'm Sangwoo. In this video, I would like to share how to do additive decomposition for time series data in Excel and R. I have prepared simple data from FPP library in R. This data is about Australia beer production data. You can decompose Australia beer production data by trend, seasonal, and random if you use plot and decompose function in R. There are two famous ways to get trend data from additive model in R. The first way is to use decompose function with additive option with $trend. The second way is to use MA function with order equals 4 due to quarterly data and true center option. If you specify center option as first, then you can get a little bit different result. But once you have this result, you can easily calculate this one. Let me show you how to do it. Alright, so I have prepared first option and true option. So let's calculate MA with first center option first. So if you specify first center option, the average of 4 consecutive data needs to start from second column. So average of 4 data. Right, this one is same as this one. And with true center option, then this is the average of moving average with first option. Alright, as you can see, we were able to calculate same data. Okay, and one thing we need to be careful is about the last term, because as you can see, the last two terms actually includes extra term. Yeah, so we don't need this one, right? In our program, as you can see, it doesn't calculate last two terms. Right, the final step is to calculate seasonality and random. So again, let me show you again. Average of 4 numbers and moving average with true center option. Average of 2 numbers, 2 data here. Right, and we don't need the last 2 terms. Okay, and the trend series data can be calculated by raw data minus moving average with true option. This one. Okay. Right, then we calculated the trend series data, so we can calculate seasonality. So this quarterly seasonality is average of each quarter for whole data. So we can use average if range from column B here, comma, and criteria from J2, comma, and average range from this the trend series data. Press F4. Alright, this is the rows seasonality. So if I add up all seasonality index data, then it's not actually equal to 0. So we need to adjust it to make it 0, right? So adjust seasonality can be calculated by row seasonality minus this one, press F4 over 4. Then right, this is adjusted seasonality. So again, this one is same as this one, this one, this one, this one. So we can use VLOOKUP function. Lookup value from column B, comma, table array from this one, press F4, comma 3, comma first. Right. So although it doesn't have detrended data, we can calculate seasonality because the seasonality is the average of all data, right, from detrended series data. The final one is to calculate random, right? So random can be calculated by raw data minus uh, detrended series data minus and seasonality, right? So this one is same as this one, right? So in our program, as I mentioned, if you use decompose function, you can easily calculate trend, seasonal, and random, right? So in Excel, when you want to calculate seasonality and random, then you first need to calculate moving average with true option. Then you can consecutively you can calculate the trend series, seasonality, and random. I hope it was useful for you to understand how we can decompose time series data in Excel and R. Please click like and subscribe if it was useful for you. Thank you.